Many times people face this problem of making choices and making decisions. At every walk of our life, we are confronted with n number of choices and we need to decide upon what to do. There is decision fatigue sometimes. I should choose this career or choose that as my career. I should go to this place for visiting. I should go to that place for visiting. What should I do? So there is decision making fatigue. So there is a very nice formula given in Sanskrit. If we follow this formula, then decision making no longer remains a burden, rather there is joy in making your own decision. So what we need to do, so the first thing which we have to do is ascertain a proper goal and then apply the formula. Once you have ascertained the goal, the formula is anukulyasya sankalpa pratikulyasya varjanam. What is this formula? Anukul means favorable and sankalpa means being determined to take that course of action. So once I have ascertained the goal, whatever is the thing, and if that is favorable to achieve my goal, anukulyasya sankalpa, I will accept that, and whatever is not favorable to achieve my goal, I will reject that, pratikulyasya varjanam. One time a boy came to me, he just passed out his engineering and he said that two companies were offering him a job. There was a small scale industry which were offering him a package of 15,000 rupees per month and a plant head, and there was another medium scale industry and they were offering him a package of 18,000 rupees per month now and one department head. Now he was confused, what should I do? Should I go for this small scale industry or should I go for this medium scale industry? The small scale industry was offering him less package, medium scale industry was offering him little higher package, but there he would have to act as a plant head in small scale industry and a department head in medium scale industry. Then I asked him the question, first of all, what you want to do in your life? What is your goal? And then he thought for a while and he said that I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to have my own industrial setup in future. And then he started pondering, he was thinking, and then he said, now I got my answer. I said, how? I told him this formula of anukulyasya sankalpa pratikulyasya varjanam. And once the goal was clear in front of him, he wanted to become an entrepreneur, and then he applied this formula, anukulyasya sankalpa pratikulyasya varjanam. Whatever is anukul, accept that, pratikul, reject that. And then he said that for my goal, there is nothing pratikul, but the best anukul I will have to choose. And if I choose this small scale industry which is offering me a position of plant head, wherein I will get to know all departments, their functioning, dealing with people, and starting from small things to all the big management of a company, and therefore he said that he will choose small scale industry. So my dear friends, if we just apply this formula, ascertain your goal and whatever is favorable for achieving your goal, accept that, be determined to take that course of action, and whatever is not favorable to achieve your goal, just reject that. If you follow this 2-point formula, then decision making becomes very easy.